In this Excel tutorial, I'm gonna explain trim function. Trim function helps us to remove unnecessary spaces. Sometimes when we import data from other applications to Excel, it includes some extra unnecessary spaces which are not required. To remove it, you can use trim function. Here I have a text cool, and before it there are many spaces, and also after it there are many spaces. To remove these trailing and leading spaces, I'll use trim function. Equal to trim and this text. Now there are no extra spaces in this text. I'll copy this here without formula so you can see it. See, there are no extra spaces now. Okay, trim function can also help you to remove extra spaces between words. Here there are no leading or trailing spaces, but there are extra spaces between words. So there should not be more than one space between ABC and 1, 2, 3. Okay, so let's use trim now. See, now there is only one space between ABC, and between 1 and 2 and 2 and 3 also there is only one space. So that's how trim function helps us to remove extra spaces between words. I hope you like this video. See you in the next video.